respected faculty, I am Rushi Networking and my register number is URK176 Now I am going to tell the experiment number 3, stimulation of DHCP, HTTP and DNS server. Initially, the aim is to identify the stimulation of DHCP, HTTP and DNS servers. Here is a topology. In this topology, we can see that there are 5 pieces connected to each other. They are parallelly connected to a switch, and there are 3 servers connected and 1 router which is connected to the switch. DHCP server. This DHCP server stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network management protocol used on UDP IP networks, whereby DHCP servers dynamically assigns an IP address and other network configuration parameters to each device on network so that they can communicate with each other in IP networks. A DHCP server enables computers to request IP addresses and networking parameters automatically from the internet service provider, reducing the need for the network administrator or a use to manually assign IP address to all the network devices. This is the DHCP server. Here is the procedure to get the automatic IP address. The step 1 goes like this. Go to the DHCP server. In step 2, you have to see that in config move DHCP onto the server. Step 3, give the default gateway, for example 192.168.2.2. Step 4, give the default DNS server. DNS means domain naming system. In step 5 goes start IP address from 192.168.2.11. The max in this step 6, we should see that the maximum number of users must be 50. Then the step 7 is like to save the procedure which we have done. Step 8, then click the PC's desktop IP configuration DHCP. Here is a screenshot of DHCP server. Second one is HTTP server. In this step 1 goes in the settings, change the display HTTP server. In step 2, in HTTP, change the name as networking lab. In step 3, then click PC web browser, type the URL 192.168.2.8. You'll see the name which has been displayed here as showed in the image. And the third one is DNS server, which stands for domain naming system. It goes with certain procedures. Step 1 contains we must add a switch and 2 PCs and a server with a display name. Step 2, then give the IP address to the above servers as per the instructions used in the other servers. Here is the image shown. For all the PCs. Step 3, then we must go to the router and do the following CLI commands. These are the CLI commands which are used. These. And after doing the CLI commands, the screenshots were taken of each and every PC, and finally this is the final topology which has been resulting, and hence the result is obtained. Thus the stimulation of DHCP, HTTP and DNS server is successfully completed. Thank you.